Hello there! So you got your soldering iron, but now it's time to actually do something with it. So once again I've gone to our partner's PCBway and we've got some good stuff in here. Commodore 64 game cartridges. Now imagine this, you're a kid, you become interested in the Commodore 64, why not build some games to go with it? These ones are for Pacman, I mean just look at that. Next up is Frogger, check that out. And the last ones for today are Bubble Bobble. So I think what we'll start with is Frogger. And there's my soldering iron. Okay, so I've zoomed you in about as far as you can go. The bit I'm going to tackle first is the resistor that goes just under the eye there. First solder joint in 20 years. I don't know, that makes me buzz. The next difficult bit's going to be the LEDs. Now is the time to be putting the sockets in. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Frogger completely soldered up. Right, let's slide the chips in. Chip is in. Excellent. That's chip. Well, that went in with no bother at all. And well, there we are. A fully finished Frogger cart. Awesome. Well, there we are. There's all three of them done. There are two issues with this. You may have noticed that I've popped in all the chips and say, well, why would you have done that yet? You haven't programmed EEPROMs. Here's the thing, I can't. I had a programmer, but I lost it. And I've bought this other one here, but it's not going to be here till the 8th, and I'm actually doing this on the night of the 3rd. Also, I don't actually own a Commodore 64 to pop these into. So I'd have to find somebody who could test these out, or I'd have to buy one off eBay. But hey, look. We built them, right? And that's the point of this video here. It's a fun project to get your kid into soldering, or yourself into soldering if you are just like me and you buy things for nostalgia reasons. Buy a C64, make a cart. But that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.